Okay, go feed them. You know how to do it. Put some in your hand.
We got it.
Yeah, turn around.
We got it.
Yeah. Got two wonderful eggs. Oh! It's okay. They're not hurting you. No. Come on, just go back over there. Go back over. Look at you. And there's the two chickens. And their oatmeal cookie. Do you like your chickens? Yeah, they give you nice, delicious eggs. Look at these eggs.
Thank you, chicken.
Thank you, chickens. Yes.
2 eggs.
Yeah.
They're gonna eat me.
They're gonna eat you. I think they will eat you. Look at her. Look at her. Look. Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, Roy. Look at, here's the other one.
Go.
Okay.
Get out.